my youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Ageable.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you not tell me one story about something there. How you say you go?
Hey, you see, so when people meet, they meet in a very, very different way sometimes, you know. I tell you now, to all the audience, everybody will laugh and things like that, but you know, there was one time a wedding was going on, right?
Mm.
So, a lot of people invited to the wedding. So, after the wedding take place now, and everybody going to eat, and a big table, everybody sit around, you know.
Mm-hmm.
One little short man sit down on the table, and one big fat woman, they sit down side and side, but they don't know each other. The table sit down, everybody sit around the table. Well dressed and thing. So when my heat up the food, man, heat up the food, the big fat woman go like this. Everybody look around. The old man knows say she, you know. But he's that lazy gentleman, you know, want her to feel bad. So he said, hear him now, excuse me please. Everybody said, get up around the table, man. You're too nasty.
You take a blame for her?
Yes, you take a blame for her. And he said, get up around the table, man, you're too nasty. Man, you sit down around the table before you go inside, go easy, but you sit down so, and just fart like that in the place. Come out of the place, man. So you get up and you go out there, so when the food don't eat and thing like now, everybody walk around, so the lady go over to him. I said, boy, you really take off a burden off of me, you know, man. Because I made her feel so embarrassed, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I feel embarrassed bad, man. I'm really glad you step up and you make me feel bad. I said, alright, man, I saw you go. So they was talking and talking. I said, then where you from, man? What your name and so and such? It's like. He said, where your wife? He said, me not no wife, you know. And he said, where your husband? And she said, me not no husband. So them start to talk, then they start date. So they finally proposed to her and decided and they won't get married.
Mm-hmm.
So they get married. So after they get married now and they live nicely, I go on, you know. There was a excursion I go on. Jamaica people call it outing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Excursion, them go on a trip. And when them did they enjoy themselves, man. And the man I heat up the ice cream and the party and the this and that, man. But we lose on him. The man
Belly start roll.
Yeah, the man know, you know. But we lose. So he couldn't hold it. So he shit up himself. The man. Remember the woman first did poop, you know.
And then take a blame for.
Take a blame. No, after some time passed, God, they married and the man go eat up and shit up himself. So people are say, then Jim, you know, go find the water, the guy help him clean up himself, man. And she did there, talk to say, you're too nasty, a big man like you. You know, baby, a big man like you. You shit up yourself like that. And I carry on here, you know. You should shut up my mouth, you know. Because I don't make my place out the secret. So my hypocrite, you know, what kind of secret, you know? You make it on. And she depend. We can go from there. He too nasty. And I style him off, you know. Hear him now. You shut up your mouth. You are going to chat. Because the fat could join us, shit shouldn't part us. So people they say, oh, so she did put in the wedding time. She didn't say yes. He said, oh shit. I said, man said, if fat could join us, shit shouldn't part us. So that time people my pics into the nonsense. No one say, oh, that did happen at the wedding day. And you take a blame for it. I said, yeah, I said, that's the thing.